This video is for new drivers who are just starting to take driving lessons. Is the car on or off? There's no engine sound and the revs are on 0. Should you press the start button to start the car? With the clutch pressed down, I'll press the start button. Didn't start. So I've actually switched it off. It must have been on already. With the clutch down, I'll press the start button again. It's restarted the car. So if it was on already, how would you know? This car has a feature called auto start stop. When the car isn't moving, the engine turns off automatically to save fuel and the environment. You can see this symbol here when auto start stop has been engaged. But the car is still on, in kind of a rest mode. The car will restart as soon as you press the clutch and select first gear. So if the car isn't making any noise and you wonder if you need to restart it, then look for this symbol. If it's on, then you don't need to press the button to restart the car. Auto start stop will also restart the engine if the car doesn't move for a few minutes. If you really don't like auto start stop, then there is a button you can press to deactivate it. This symbol means that auto start stop has been turned off or isn't available. Watch this video next if you want to learn how to drive a manual car. You'll see how to move off and stop, how to change gear and when, plus clutch control. Thanks a lot for watching. Just a short video today, but I really hope it helps someone. Please like and subscribe for more, and in the meantime, keep safe on the road and bye for now.